Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Are you wondering how to change your username but don't know how? Well, don't worry. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on Twitter. So watch this video till the end. First, open your Twitter app, then tap on Profile that is on the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. On Settings page, tap on Your Account. Now tap on Account Information. There you will see your username on the top. Tap on it and change the username as you like or choose the suggestion ones. In this video, I'm using the suggested username. Now after I select the username suggested, it will ask you, are you sure you want to change your username? Tap on Continue. Now tap on Done. So that is how you change your username on Twitter. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.